What's up? I'm Derek. This is Nelson, cameraman.
Hey, what's up?
We're sitting here at Fire the Fire doing what they're telling us, so we're supposed to be making a commercial about what we did this weekend. Basically, we came here to come with the Lord, get to know Him, rock out, all that goodness.
And we stayed in a really cool hotel. Yeah.
Help people that need to be helped. Do it now. Jesus loves you.
A lot of people, thousands of people. Lots.
Jesus lives. He's number one.
Okay, let's wrap it up. Let's hit those lights.
Well, show the people. Show all the people.
Whoa, that's everyone taking cameras, taking pictures.
Alright, here we go. Good job. Give you guys a big round of applause.
Let's
Just
put this
a
on
simple
YouTube.
opportunity to get your voice out there. What you should do is, if I want to challenge you, maybe you save up and you get yourself a video camera and you just go out and you